Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you are in a Teams meeting and the Copilot button is there, but it's totally unresponsive, or it responds with an error or simply spins indefinitely. Copilot in Teams requires several components to work correctly: a valid license, an updated Teams client, and proper permissions. When any of these are missing, Copilot won't respond at all. So let me show you how to get it working fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, you want to understand the requirements. Copilot in Teams requires a Teams premium license for consumer or Microsoft 365 Copilot licenses for business. The latest version of Teams desktop client, not the web version. So the mission or chat must be in a Teams environment where Copilot is enabled by the admin. Then you have to go and check your license, make sure you have the correct license. If you are a consumer user with a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription, you need a Copilot Pro license. If you are a business user, confirm with your IT admin that a Microsoft 365 Copilot license has been assigned to your account. Then make sure you can, make sure you have already updated Teams. Then restart the app. Sometimes the simple restart clears any temporary glitches. Close Teams completely, wait 10 seconds, and reopen it. Then try Copilot again. Make sure also to check permissions on business users. If Copilot is not responding at all, the tenant may have basically disabled it. As of March 2026, Copilot in Teams meeting is not enabled by default and requires specific admin actions to activate. So basically ask your IT admin to enable Copilot for you. That's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.